Your biggest fan.
Thank you so much. One more. God bless you. Good luck. Thank you.
Hey, what are your thoughts on all these like crazy stuff in the airlines now? You know, families getting kicked off, fights.
Oh, I know, it's pretty bad. I was like trying to get a ticket online like just the other night, and they actually reached through the computer screen and punched me in the face. That was pretty hard.
A little bit. Was that your like worst experience on the airline before, or just?
I've been lucky. I haven't been actually physically harmed yet. So.
Oh, not yet. Yeah. Have a good day.
Tio Alice, you know I'm famous too.
Yeah.
I'm a Jimmy Kimmel. Review the movie. Thank you. Have a good one.